Hey friends, it is me Stace. Welcome back to another video. Today we're making our project for Coco Roaster Studio and we are making a crossover gatefold card. So this is the front, then you open and then you have the inside there. Really fun little card to make. Alright, so the first thing you will need is a piece of cardstock for the base of the card. This is 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score this at 2 1/8 and again at 6 3/8. And go ahead and finger press on those score marks. Take your bone folder and give each side a really good crease. And then we have the same color as our base. We need two pieces. These both measure 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. We need some white cardstock, 4 by 5 1/4 for the inside. This piece is 3 1/4 by 2 1/4, and this piece is 3 inches by 3/4 of an inch. Then we have two different pattern papers. These are the front panel pieces. These each measure 1 3/4 by 5 1/4, and then we have these other two paper, and they measure 3 1/2 by 2 1/2. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is bring our base over, and we're going to adhere our pattern paper to the front. And I will have a full PDF tutorial for this card on my blog. You can just go there and download that. All right, so there's that one. It's one of those cards that looks complicated to make and has a wow factor, and it's actually pretty easy to make. Alright, to bring this one over on this side. And the cardstock I'm using is Paper Tray Ink Dark Chocolate, and the paper is also from Paper Tray Ink. I'm not sure the exact name of it. Alright, now we have our two panels. Adhere our other paper to that one. So we have that one there, and then this one here. Okay, and now we're going to adhere our white one on the inside. Now on mine, I did take a piece of that pattern paper. I put it on the side there. I forgot to cut that piece, so I'm not going to add it here. This is going to go on the inside. So even though it's a fun fold card, it's still our standard A2 size card. Alright, now you want to take these pieces. You want to have your card closed, and you only want to put adhesive on half of it. And you want to line this one up in the upper left hand corner, lining up the side and the top. And I just kind of do it like this so I can kind of see where to put my adhesive. And I'll take it over here and I'll just put more of it on there. Okay, so I have my adhesive on half, and just line it up in the upper left-hand corner, and even with the side and the top of the card. And then we'll do the same for this one. I'll lay this down, lining it up on the side, and then just mark where my adhesive is going to go. And I'm just using my advanced tape glider. Okay, and this one is going to go on the opposite corner. Again, you want to line it up on the top and the side. I think I have some adhesive there. There we go. Isn't that cute? So that's how the card opens. All right, now for the images. So the stamps that I'm using is from Coco Roaster Studio. It is called Dragonfly Clear Stamp. I can't link it because it is sold out at the moment, but it is a really cute stamp. Alright, so my Dragonfly here, I'm using Early Espresso ink from Stampin' Up. I'm going to bring in my little foam pad. Put my paper on it. Ink my stamp up. Put that there. Isn't that really pretty? Dragonfly, love that. All right, now we have our greeting, and I have that over here, and this says "Just for you." I'm gonna bring that toward me so I can get it in the middle there, straight. Okay, so we're done with all that. Now I'm gonna flip these both over and attach some foam squares to them. And for this one, I'm going to use 5. all the corners, and then one in the middle. And then the greeting one, I'm just going to use 3. And then we're going to jazz it up by adding a few rhinestones to it. Okay. Just got to give all those a squish. Take the backing off. And I do have a card kit for this card as well. Like I said, you can go to my blog and download the free PDF. Alright, so that's going to go there. Then we have this one. I'm going to put this one on an angle. This one I don't need to worry about it being straight. Okay, and then we have some rhinestones over here. These are the same ones I've been using from Diamond Press, and I'm just going to, not Diamond Press, yeah, Diamond Press, I'm sorry. I'm going to do 2 of them. Right there, did I do 2 on the other side? I did. Okay. I'm going to put 2 up here. They don't match the brown, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so there's the card. And then we have the inside there. Alright, so here's the card kit. I do include the pieces for the rhinestones for the, and also an envelope. And you'll also get this finished card as well with an envelope as well. So you can mail this card out and then make this card. Alright, so to win the card kit, leave me a comment below with a butterfly image. And make sure you watch this coming Saturday's video. That's where I announce the card kit winners. Alright, so again, a butterfly image below. Check out my blog. It'll be linked below as well for the PDF tutorial. As always, my friends, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.